Locked out of your 2018-2021 VW Atlas due to a broken key fob or dead car battery? Don't panic. Your Atlas has backup systems. First, check for the hidden mechanical key within your key fob. Press the release button to reveal it. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's door by inserting it into the slot above the handle. If the car battery is dead, unlocking the door won't solve everything. You'll need to jump-start the vehicle to regain full functionality. Access the battery terminals under the hood to connect jumper cables. Remember, a dead battery disables the keyless entry system entirely. Consider a portable jump starter for emergencies. While mechanical keys are reliable, Volkswagen offers digital solutions for added convenience. Check if your Atlas has the VW CarNet app enabled. By 2024, most Atlas models have app integration for smartphone unlocking via Bluetooth or cellular. This serves as a backup if your fob fails. For the future, consider getting a spare key fob programmed by a dealership. Experts say 25% of roadside assistance calls are due to fob issues. Always carry the mechanical key blade separately in case the fob is damaged. Keep in mind that future VW models are shifting toward fully digital access, making these backup methods essential for your 2018-2021 Atlas.